Hi, this is a quick summary of our completed research project, opportunities for state DOTs and others to encourage shared usability practices in rural areas. Well, smartphones and technological advancements have presented us with a new set of convenient and affordable mobility solutions. These solutions include services such as ride sourcing, car sharing, bike sharing, microtransit, and other technology-enabled mobility options. These services are typically referred to as shared usability services. Shared usability services are much prominent in urban setup compared to rural areas. In rural areas, while conventional transit services provide lifelines to their users, emerging shared usability services have the potential to fill mobility gaps and provide flexible transportation options to rural residents. Our NCHRP research effort investigated various categories of shared usability services that could potentially be applied primarily in rural communities as well as in small urban areas. The category of services we have investigated for potential rural applicability include ride sourcing, car sharing, bike sharing, microtransit service, and rural mobility as a service framework. To better understand the opportunities and challenges of various shared usability services in rural communities, we have conducted numerous interviews with shared usability providers and with contacts at rural communities that are implementing rural shared usability practices within their communities, such as rural ride sourcing program, rural bike sharing program, etc. Apart from the interviews, we have also conducted 8 in-depth case studies of most relevant rural shared usability implementations across the US. We have conducted these case studies to learn about planning and implementation aspects of rural shared usability services. Input from the numerous shared usability interviews and 8 in-depth case studies combined with comprehensive literature review was ultimately used to develop 2 final products for this research effort. The first output from the study is a rural shared usability toolkit. This 5-task toolkit can help rural communities become informed about tasks involved for strategically planning and implementing various shared usability services. By using this toolkit, rural communities can begin step 1 by identifying mobility gaps and service needs in their rural communities, followed by step 2, where they can determine the shared usability category that best works to meet rural community needs. Various shared usability categories to choose from include ride sourcing, car sharing, bike sharing, rural mobility as a service, etc. In step 3, rural communities can establish public-private partnerships between shared usability providers and rural local agencies. Step 4 involves evaluating challenges, accessibility, and impacts by launching rural shared usability service. Step 5, which is also an important step, is also used to explore funding opportunities to plan and implement a pilot phase. The second output from the study is a guidance for state DOTs and other agencies to promote shared usability services in rural areas. In this guidance document, we have identified 6 different opportunities for state DOTs and other agencies to promote and advance rural shared usability services. Please refer the final report of the study to review the rural shared usability toolkit and the guidance document in detail. The report can be helpful in identifying emerging transportation services that can improve mobility in rural or small urban communities. For more information, you can contact me. My name is Ranjit Kadavarti. I'm an assistant professor at North Dakota State University. I'm also an associate research fellow with Small Urban Rural Center on Mobility, SURCOM, which is a program in Upper Great Plains Transportation Institute at North Dakota State University. At SURCOM, we provide research, education, and outreach for improving mobility in rural and small urban areas. Please visit our website for more information about completed and ongoing research projects, educational programs, and training opportunities. Thank you.